Hey there, Greater Seattle area peeps. I'm right outside a brand new construction home here with the new home builder KB Homes here in Kent, Washington in King County. This is actually right up the hill from downtown Kent in the East Hill neighborhood of Kent, Washington. In this video, I'm showing you this model right here. Let me flip the camera around so you can check it out. Now, one cool thing of the East Hill neighborhood in Kent, Washington is it has easy access to Highway 167. So if you're looking at Google Maps here, this is kind of where the location of Kent, Washington is if you're my out-of-towners watching my real estate videos here on my channel. Now, this new build with KB Homes, this floor plan is called the 2328. KB Homes elects to name their floor plans off of their square footage, which is actually genius if you think about it. So this one is the 2328, which means it's 2,328 square feet. It's a 2-story home, 4-bed, 2.5 bath house. Now, the thing that I really like about this particular floor plan on this elevation and on this lot for this community is how big this driveway is in this cul-de-sac area. Check out just how deep the driveway is. So you actually get quite a bit of parking here for this exact unit. Take a look inside here so I can give you an idea of what it looks like. If anyone would like to see this floor plan in particular, please feel free to reach out to me via the channel so I can give you an updated list of where this floor plan is. KB has several active communities that they're building in, including in Marysville, Auburn, Lake Stevens, Puyallup, Covington, Washington, Bonnie Lake, Marysville, Federal Way, and Duvall. So again, if you'd like more information on this particular floor plan or any others that you might be interested in, feel free to reach out to me so we can discuss all of what KB has to offer. Let's get a quick look at this beautiful kitchen here. Got the white shaker cabinets and the quartz countertops here. This kitchen, like all new construction, should come with the doors and the cabinet doors, and the drawers are soft close, of course. This is a nice walk-in pantry right over here. Nice wide open floor plan. As you can see on the floor, it is luxury vinyl plank. Has a nice wood look to it. And better yet, a nice, wide, big covered patio. I'll quickly point out that this property does come with a heat pump. For any of my out-of-towners watching this video, I picked a pretty typical overcast day to give you an idea of what it looks like when it's not raining, but when the sun's not out. The Greater Seattle area typically has, on average, 226 days out of the year, over 80% cloud cover for the Greater Seattle area. So just wanted to show you what the light might look like, the natural lighting with overcast coming through this property. I have toured hundreds and hundreds of new construction properties and communities through several dozens of new construction builders throughout the years, and have helped out so many clients buy new construction property in the Greater Seattle area. One thing that reigns true that I found through KB, and one reason why I really like them as a builder, is they are building these homes very customizable, and they have one of the most customizable options for you to choose from as a buyer. And you would only find more customizability if you truly found land, bought that land yourself, and hired a custom home builder to build the home exactly to spec as you want. Other than that, KB Homes is the most customizable that you can go through to pick out so many different options on layout, color, design, everything that goes into it, all of your optional upgrades, etc. And they're fully transparent with showing you what the costs look like when you go through KB as well. So just my quick elevator pitch on one of the biggest things that I like about KB Homes. So we've been touring the upstairs here. This walk-in closet, I love the window that provides the natural light that comes through the closet here. This is one of the front bedrooms, as you can see. There's the attic access. Here's the other bedroom in the front. This one does not come with the walk-in closet. However, you can see that there's plenty of closet space in there. What I'm trying to do for my channel more often is show you some more of the model homes in the area, so you get a good idea of what these new construction properties look like when they're fully finished and furnished. However, sometimes it is nice to tour these ones that are pretty much almost built, but don't have any stuff in them, so you can get a good idea of what the property looks like when it's vacant. Is kind of a plus to be able to go through some models, but then also tour some actual floor plans that anyone can realistically buy. This one, now that is to say that new construction communities will always sell their models last. So if you ever go through a model in a new construction community and you really want the model, you could hold out. And most, contrary to popular belief, most builders will sell that model at a premium, depending on what the market conditions are doing at that time. There are some market conditions where the builder might need to sell the model at a lesser expensive amount, but usually the model is for most builders their crown jewel, where they've put all of the upgrades into it, unless they're showing off a feature that doesn't have as many of the upgrades, but most models will be sold at a premium that you can buy as well. I hope you've enjoyed this property tour with me today. Again, my name is Aaron Marr, local realtor in the greater Seattle area. I work with both home buyers and sellers in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties. If you're interested in making a move over here to the greater Seattle area in 9 days or 9 months, or you're looking to buy or sell a home in the area, please feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information can be found below in the description. And until next time, I hope to be showing you some more property tours.